Hi everyone, this is Linda. Today with another recipe. I'm showing you how to make Biscoff milkshake. Also quick and easy, made with only 4 ingredients. All you need to do, put them in your blender and blend them, and you have a beautiful and delicious milkshake. And you can dress it up a little bit with whipped cream and with some sprinkles. Hi there, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a Biscoff fan, then I encourage you to try my Biscoff cupcake recipe as well. I will leave a link up here so that you can check it out. So there we have our Biscoff milkshake. As you can see, it looks beautiful and it tastes good too. So I'm just adding the whipped cream, and you add it when you are ready to serve, and some straw as well as some sprinkles. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.